How many times have you seen an article or post and want to read what the community said, but then you were shocked to face a huge list of comments with no way to find what you wanted? Well, Classibridge has solved that problem with a revolutionary product. Introducing Comments, the next generation of online commenting. With Comments, your users start with a basic view of a commenting thread that looks pretty close to what we've all been using for the last 20 years. However, the community has engagement options that allows nuanced voting. For example, I like this comment. In fact, I like it a lot and I think it is funny and smart. After voting, I can even see what the community thinks. The power of the community unlocks a range of sorting options. It even allows you to filter. Now you can choose what type of comments you do see and what type of comments you don't see. That's how easy it is. The comment thread went from being a pain to being a pleasure. There are even features built into the widget that prevent trolls, spam, or other jerks from ruining your user's experience. And the best part is that with the power of your community, as well as advanced algorithms and backend tools, your moderation efforts and costs go way down. Try the product for yourself. Go to comments.com. That's CMMNTZ.com to install the next generation of online comments on your site for free today.